How to install a quart of Indue UTC urethane top coat. Indue UTC is typically applied over our MT polymer concrete system with S or A grade color quartz aggregate broadcast into it. We apply this urethane top coat to give it some added protection, has chemical resistance, it's UV stable, makes the surface easier to clean while still maintaining a non-skid surface. In this video I'll just show you how to mix and apply 1 quart over this same system that I just described back at our shop here at Indue. Some basic tools you'll need are a 1/2 inch drill with a clean mixing paddle, a clean mixing container, probably want a box of rags and some solvent just in case. And then we use a 9-inch roller with a 3/8 inch nap and a squeegee. This is just a cheap window squeegee that we used for this sample. So in the box you're going to get some mixing instructions, a pair of rubber gloves, a paintbrush, and then you're going to get a container of A that'll have 24 ounces, and then B will have 8 ounces pre-tinted. So to mix this, take the part B first, shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds, take the top off and pour that into your clean container, and just follow that up with the part A. You can just open that up, take the top off, pour that in, then take your drill and mix this thoroughly for about a minute, then you're ready to go. So this particular patch is back in our warehouse. We applied Indue Crete with a saturation of S grade color quartz onto it, and then the next day we swept off the excess. You'll have about a 45-minute pot life to work with this. You can pour a bead along the far edge, grab your squeegee, and using medium pressure you can start squeegeeing the material out. You don't have to squeegee every inch, and you do want to make sure that you don't leave any puddles of material. After most of it is squeegeed out, you can use some of the excess material to load up your roller, and then you can start rolling the area. You can see with the loaded roller that you can go over these dry areas, and using just a little bit more pressure you can actually push that material into those dry spots. Coverage for UTC over S grade equals 150 square feet per gallon, or 37.5 square feet per quart. Take care just to work slowly, go back and forth nice and evenly. And you can see with this loaded roller you'll be able to even get the edging done. You will have to use the paintbrush around machines or machine legs. Once you finish with the initial rolling, finish with the finish roll. This is where you go back and forth over the entire area, making sure to overlap. And again, just nice even paces. You don't want to go too fast, and you don't want to go too slow. And that's it. Just make sure to tape off the area. We would keep traffic off for a minimum of 12 hours. Full chemical cure and heavy traffic, we will wait 24 hours. If you'd like to see one of our other how-to videos, click on one of these links or give us a call at 1-800-577-6213 or check us out at indue.com.